In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a Pitman arm on your Ram 2500. This is going to be located under the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Looking up at the Pitman arm, we're going to remove the drag link nut with a 21mm socket. Remove the nut. We're going to release the tension in between the drag link and the Pitman arm. Pull that drag link up. Using a 1 11/16 socket, we're going to remove the Pitman arm nut. Remove the nut. I'm going to make a mark on my Pitman arm stud. Make a corresponding mark on the arm. I have a Pitman arm puller set up on my Pitman arm. We're going to remove it from the gearbox. I transferred my mark from the old Pitman arm to the new. Now we're going to get it installed. Make sure that mark is lining up. Snug the nut down. Install the drag link into the Pitman arm. Install the nut. Snug it down. Torque the Pitman arm nut to 330 foot-pounds. Torque the drag link nut to 27 foot-pounds. Then we're going to go an additional 180 degrees.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.